Here's how to tie the Super Munter Hitch. First, tie a regular Munter hitch by going through the carabiner, then around the lowering end, and finally back through the carabiner, but over to the other side. And to tie the Super Munter, again go around the lowering end and through the carabiner, but this time exiting over to the other side. Because of this additional step, it has more friction compared to the regular Munter hitch. This is really useful when you need to lower something very heavy. For example, in search and rescue, or when lowering very heavy climbing gear. One issue with the regular Munter hitch is that as you descend, the rope tends to twist and turn and sometimes even gets stuck. This doesn't happen with the Super Munter hitch because the additional step kind of evens everything out and the rope doesn't twist and turn anymore. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.